This problem deals with parallel and perpendicular lines. We're asked to determine whether the graphs of the equations are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. The two equations that were given are not written in slope-intercept form. So we need to write them in slope-intercept form first in order to determine the slope of each of the lines. We have the equation 2x plus y equals 8. That's our first equation. Solving for y by subtracting 2x on both sides, we have y equals the opposite of 2x plus 8. The other equation is 2x plus y equals 4. Again, we solve for y by subtracting 2x on both sides, and we get y equals the opposite of 2x plus 4. Now, the graphs will be parallel if the slopes are the same. So we will look at the slopes first to determine if they're parallel. And we find out that the slope of each of the lines is -2. And that tells us that the lines are parallel unless they're exactly the same line. To determine if they're the same line, we look at the y-intercepts. The y-intercept of this equation would be 0, 8. The y-intercept of this graph would be 0, 4. Since so they're not the same line, but they have the same slope, so the graphs of the equations would be parallel.